Good afternoon, student. In Thursday video, I revise a grammar rule one more time. See example 1.26. See, this is a very important 5 mark sum. In a T20 match, Chennai Super King needed just 6 runs to win with one ball left to go for the last over. The last ball was bowled and the batsman at the crease hit it high up. The ball traversed along a path in a vertical plane and the equation of the path. This is also model. Already I taught one more some the application problem. What is the equation of the path? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c with respect to xy coordinate system. Next, in a vertical plane and the ball reversed through the points. What are the points that the ball go through? 10, 8, 20, 16, 30, 18. Can you conclude that Chennai Super King won the match? We are going to find whether we conclude after the calculation the Chennai Super King win the match or not. Justify your answer. How to justify your answer? All the distances are measured in the meters and the meeting points the path farthest boundary. Our boundary is what? 70, 0. If the boundary is in 70 with less than 70, 0 means it lose the match. Suppose this boundary is what? Far away for 70, means what? More than, if the 0 value become more than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. More than means we get the Super King in the match. Our aim is what? Using grammar rule, we are going to find whether the Chennai King won the match or not. This is the grammar rule, exercise number 1.4. This is based on this sum. So this is, see that one. What is the given path? The path is y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. What are the point it passes through? Passes through the point is what given? Y 10, 8, 20, 16, 40, 22. What is the given path? The given path is y equal to, what is the given path? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Y is nothing but what? Y is nothing but what? F of x. Y is f of x. So f of x, instead of f of x, we substitute the point. What are the point we are going to substitute? If we substitute instead of x, you substitute 10. Equal to value is nothing but what? 8. Like that already we learn one more application problem. Now see the how to make the equation, linear equation. Instead of x, you substitute what? 10. F of 10. F y is nothing but what? F of x. F of 10 implies a into 10 square plus b into 10 plus c equal to 8. That is nothing but what? 10 square is what? 100. 100a plus 10b plus c equal to 8. This is the equation 1. What is the second point? 20, 16. So instead of x, you substitute what? 20. F of 20 implies a into 20 square plus b into 20 plus c equal to 16. That is 20 square is nothing but what? 400. 400a plus 20b plus c equal to 16. This is the equation number 2. Next, what is the third point? 40, 22. Now f of 40. F of 40 implies a into 40 square plus b into 40 plus c equal to 22. 40 square is nothing but what? 1600a plus 40b plus c equal to 22. So we get the 3 linear equation. Just remember just revise the grammar rule. What is the grammar? Grammar rule is we find the delta value, determinant value. Delta value, delta A, delta B, delta C. Because the given equation is what? A, B, C. So we are going to find the value, substitute the value, we find the value for A, B, C and afterwards substitute it. So what is the delta? Delta equal to nothing but what? Coefficient of x, y, z. Delta is coefficient. From the linear equation, you use the grammar rule. First to find the delta. Delta is nothing but coefficient of x, y, z. For 100, 10, 1. Here what? 400, 21. 1641. This is nothing but what? Delta value. So for easy calculation, taking 100 from C1. This is what? Nothing but this is column C1. 100 from C1. C1, C2, C3. This is column. So 100 from C1, another one 10 from C2 for the easy calculation. Because of easy calculation, you take the constant outside. From C1 take 100, from C2 take 10. What happens when we take 100 means 100. If you take 100 means what? Balance is what? 1 into 100 is 100. 400. If you take 100 means 4. The 1600 take 100 means what? 16. Similarly, here what is next? We take this column, we take the 10. 10 means what? We take 10 means what? 1, 2, 4. If 10 ones are 10, 10 into 2, 20, 10 into 4 is 40. For easy, now we get the number is very single number. It is easy for calculation. So 10 into 100, 100 into 10 is what? 1000. 1000 into, how to find the determinant? 1 into, left that row and a column. Children, go through the sum then and there. Then only easily understand that one. This is the grammar rule. We left the first row and the first column. 2 ones are 2, 4 ones are 4. So 2 minus 4. Again plus a, minus a, again what? Plus. Minus 1 into left that column and as well as a row. 4 ones are 4, 16 ones are 16. 4 minus 16 plus 1 into left that column as well as a row. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2 is what? Minus 32. Now 10,000 because 100 into 10 is what? 1000. 1000 into 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 16 is what? Minus 12. Again 16 minus 32 is what? Minus 16. After simplification, what will happen? 1000 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 12. Here minus 16. See, you subtract and add. Add and subtract, we get what? 1000 into 6. Now we get the 6000. Therefore, delta equal to 6000. If we grammar, remember it, if we grammar, first to find the delta. Next to find the delta A, delta B, delta C. For to find delta A, what do? We take the x value. What is the x value? 100. X value is nothing but what? 100, 400, 1600. If you want to find the A value, delta A is nothing but what? Leave the A value, you substitute the constant. What is the constant? 8, 16, 22. The remaining B value, C value, write it as itself. So remember that one, because you take the, if you want to find the delta value means, take the A value, instead of A you substitute the constant number, 8, 16, 22. See, here this is our column C1. This is C2, this is C3. C1, taking C1, 2 is what? We taking easily 2 outside for the C1. Next is C2, taking 10 outside. What is the balance of 4, 2, 4 are 8. So, we are taking 2 is for C1 become 4, 8, 11. If we are taking 10 outside means what? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. After the calculation, what do you get? 20 into, you know well, 20 into what? Left the row and column, we get 4 into 2 minus 4. Similarly, this is the first one is plus a, again minus a, next one is what? Plus. Remember the determinant form. So minus 1 into the left that column and row, we get 8 ones are 8, 11 ones are 11 minus 11 plus 1 into left that column and row, 8 4s are 32, 11 2s are 22, 32 minus 22, 20 into 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2, 4 2s are minus 8. Here 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3, minus into minus become plus 3, 32 minus 22 is what? Plus 10. So 4 2s are what happened? 4 2s are minus 8. 4 2s are minus 3 plus 10 is 13. So 20 into 5 minus 8 plus 13 is what? 20 into 5 is what? 100. Therefore, delta A equal to 100. Don't write X, Y, Z because the given question is for ABC. So find delta A. Similarly, afterwards you find delta B. Delta B means what? You write the A value as it is. What is A? 100, 400, 6,000 is as it is, right? Instead of taking B value. What is the B value? B value is what? 10, 20, 40. B 10, 20, 40. They take it B value. What are you writing? That constant 8, 16, 22. C is write it as itself. Here also that C1, the column 1 taking 100, column 2 taking 2 outside for easy calculation. So taking 100 as well as 2 for the C1 and C2. Next balance is what? If you taking 100 from C1 means what? 1, 4, 16. Taking 2 from C2 is what? 4, 8, 11. Again, what do you do? You find the what value? Determinant value. You know, 100 into 2 is what? 200. See the calculation part. What is similarly the same thing? 1 into row and column we left it. What happened? 8 ones are 8. 11 ones are 11. Minus. Again, this is first value is plus. Second one is minus. Third value is what? Plus. Remember, recall again one more. Again and again I am telling. Go through that one properly. Again minus 4. Minus 4 into left that column as well as row. 4 ones are 4. 16 ones are 16. Again plus 1 into left that column as well as row. 4 11s are what? 44. 16 into 8 is what? Minus 128. Next 200 into 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3. 4 minus 16 is what? Minus 12. Already having 1 minus 4. 1 minus 128 plus 44 is what? Minus 84. Now 200 into minus 3. Minus into minus become what? Plus 48 minus 84. After the calculation we get what? 200 into minus 39. Now delta B equal to 200 is multiplied with the minus 39. We get 7,000 minus 7,800. So delta B we get 7,800. Now delta C equal to, write the A value, B value, instead of C value 1 1 1, taking 1 1, what you are writing? Write the constant 8 is 16 22. Here this is what C1, C2, this is what C3. Taking 100 from C1, 10 from C2, 2 from C3. Up 100 into 10 into 2. So what happened? The calculation becomes very simple. If we taking 100 from C1 means what? 1 4 16. Taking 10 from C2 means what? We get 1 2 4 1 2 4. Taking C3 2 from C3 means what? 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 11 2s are 22. So the number is very single number. It is calculation is very easy for you. So 100 into 10 into 2 is for nothing but what? 2000. So again you find the determinant value. 1 into, you left that row as well as column. 2 11s are 22, 4 8s are 32, 22 minus 32. Similarly here what? Plus minus, again what? Plus symbol. So next minus 1 into, minus 1 into, left that column as well as row, column as well as row. 4 11s are what? 44, 16 into 8 is what? Minus 128, plus 4 into, left that column as well as row. 4 4s are 16, minus 16 into 2 is what? Minus 32. What happened? 2000 into 22 minus 32 is what? Minus 10. Minus 1 into 44 minus 128 is what? Minus 84. Plus 4 into minus 16 minus 32 is what? Minus 16. Now 2000 into minus 10. Minus into minus become what? Plus 84. 4 into 16 is what? Minus 6. This is a calculation only. So after the simplification we get what? 2000 into 10. Because 64 minus 64 minus 74. 84 minus 74 nothing but what? 10. So 2010 is what? 20,000. Now delta C equal to 20,000. So by using grammar rule we find what? Delta A, delta B, delta C. Next apply the grammar rule. What is the grammar rule? A equal to what? Delta A by delta. What is our delta A? Delta A is 100. Delta is what? Minus 6,000. Minus 6,000. If we cancel we get what? Minus 1 by 60. Minus 1 by 60. Similarly we find B. B is nothing but what? Delta B by delta. What is our delta B? We find it already for delta B. Minus 7,800 by delta is what? Minus 6,000. If a 2020 cancel, we get what? After simplification, we get what? 13 by 10. Next we find delta C. What is our delta C? Delta C is nothing but what? C equal to delta C by delta. First we find A. A, what is the formula for A? Delta A by delta. B equal to delta B by delta. C equal to delta C by delta. Delta C is what? 20,000 we find. Delta C, we find it what? 20,000. 20,000 by minus 6,000. After simplification we get minus 10 by 3. Therefore, we find the value for A, B, C. Substitute the value for the given equation of the path. What is the equation of the path? Listen carefully. Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Y equal to, instead of A, what you are substituting? Instead of A, you are substituting what? Minus 1 by 60. Instead of A, minus 1 by 60 into x square plus A. Instead of B, you are substituting what? 13 by 10 into x plus what is the C? C is nothing but what? Minus 10 by 3. Substitute the value for A, B, C for the given equation. So A, B, C, substitute the equation of the, substitute the value. What are the value? Find A, B, C. That A, B, C value substitute here. What is the next step? What is the given? The boundary is what? Less than 70, 0. When x is equal to 70, they substitute the value for the given path. When x is equal to 70, what is our y value? Y equal to A minus 1 by 60 into x square plus 13 by 10 into x minus 10 by 3. So instead of x, what you have substituted? 70. So minus 1 by 60, listen carefully. Minus 1 by 60, instead of x you substitute what? 70. When x is equal to 70 means we are going to find the y value. So minus 1 by 60 into 70 square plus 13 by 10. 13 by 10, see here, 13 by 10 into 70 minus 10 by 3. 13 by 10 into 70 minus 10 by 3. Now minus 1 by 60 into 70 square is what? Nothing but 4,900. 7 7s are 49. 4,900. You cancel the value. Afterwards get what? 245. Minus 245 divided by 3. Next 0 0 cancel. 13 into 7 is what? 91. Minus what? 10 by 3. Now minus 245 by 3. minus 10 by 3 plus 91. So minus 245 minus the denominator same, add the numerator, minus 255 by 3 plus 81. If we cancel, we get what? Minus 85 plus 91. What is the answer? We get 6. Therefore, we get, if x is equal to 70, you substitute, we get the value what? 6. When x is equal to 70, listen carefully, this is the, write the statement very properly. When x is equal to 70, y equal to, we get what? 6. So the ball went by 6 meter. How much meter? 6 meter, not 0 meter. So 70 comma 0 is given. So when x is equal to 70, y equal to 6. So the ball went by 6 meter high over the boundary line. Boundary line, more than the boundary. The ball went to above the boundary line, high over the boundary line. Hence the ball went for the super 6, more than 6. The ball went out of the boundary line. Therefore, the ball went for super 6 and Chennai Super King won the match. Listen, write the statement properly. Very important example sum. Dear children, Monday onwards I am going to start the chapter 2. Therefore, revise your 1 mark also for the chapter 1. Thank you children.